Manfoto. Man, sir, what is your name? Manfrotto. Oh, I get it. What's up everybody, it's Vikram Niham. Today we are talking about what's in my camera bag. You basically want a convenient bag that can hold all your gear without being a burden. After using many different camera bags, I landed on this impressive bag from Manfrotto. The range of this Manfrotto DSLR camera bag will ensure that your camera and all your equipment will be protected and safe from basically everything. This guy is a beast. So let's see what's inside. Alright, first up is obviously my camera. This is my backup camera. My main camera is on the tripod, the Canon 80D. Usually I use this 550D for taking pictures, you know, behind the scene kind of stuff. I have my main lens, again, on the tripod, the Sigma 18-35mm 1.8, and that's my go-to lens and it always delivers. My backup lens, which is my zoom lens, is this Canon 24-105mm. Offers me a lot when it comes to getting close to the subject from a distance. Solid. Next up is my precious gimbal, the one and only Ronin S from DJI. This guy is a machine, and literally is a machine. There's nowhere I go without this. Usually I use this microphone, but today I am using my shotgun mic. Hold on, I'll show you. It's this one. I guess that's better. Behold, my friend from the sky. Mr. Mavic Air from DJI. Why Mavic Air? Well, because it's small. Shoots up to 4K. It's easy to travel with. It just fits right into this box and into my bag. It has 21 minutes of flight time. It's really fast. I mean really fast. Gets the job done. Alright, get out of here. This next bad boy has been really helpful when you are out on location and you need everything to be as you planned in your head. The FreeWorld 4K field monitor. The LCD screen on the camera just doesn't cut it when it's bright sunny daylight. This 6-inch monitor is a must-have. We have some ND filters. I will make a whole video about this and the importance of having ND filter in your bag when you are out shooting in a bright sunny daylight. When your exposure meter is all over the place. Some SD cards, batteries, cables, and I have this notebook where I write everything down, you know, ideas, everything that just pop into my head goes into this book. So yeah, there you go guys, a peek into my camera bag. I have all the links in the description for every equipment if you want to go check it out. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of this kind of content, consider subscribing. Got something on your heart? Comment below and I will answer your questions. Alright guys, have a great day. Go out there and create stuff and I will see you awesome people later.